You probably have a little jar of turmeric sitting in your spice cabinet right now. Maybe it came with a spice set, maybe someone told you to use it for curry, or maybe you bought it once and kind of forgot about it. Most people do. It just sits there, yellow, dusty, completely overlooked. And that's honestly a shame, because what's inside that little jar is one of the most quietly powerful things you can keep in your kitchen. Not in some vague, trendy wellness way. I mean genuinely practical, saves you money, solves real problems useful. Here's the thing nobody talks about. The wellness industry has spent years repackaging turmeric into capsules, serums, powders, and specialty drinks that cost $15, $20, sometimes $30 or more. And all along, the exact same compound, the same thing that makes those products work, has been sitting in your spice cabinet for $2. That's not a coincidence. That's just how marketing works. So today we're going through 10 benefits of turmeric that most people genuinely don't know. Not the obvious stuff. Not it's good for inflammation in some vague, forgettable way. Real uses. Things you can actually apply starting today. And stick around, because number one is something that affects nearly every household, and most people have never once considered it. Number 10, morning joint stiffness that you just assumed was normal. You wake up and your knees feel stiff. Your hands take a minute to loosen up. You chalk it up to age, or the weather, or just the way things are. You might have tried over-the-counter pain creams. Some of those run $8 to $12 for a small tube that disappears in 2 weeks. Here's what's actually happening. A lot of that stiffness is the body's inflammatory response running a little too hot. Not injury, not damage, just internal inflammation that never fully settles down overnight. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin. Don't worry about the chemistry. Just think of it as a natural signal blocker. It interferes with the specific pathways your body uses to produce inflammation. Studies have compared it directly to common anti-inflammatory drugs, and results are genuinely surprising. A warm drink, hot water, a small amount of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, taken in the morning consistently over a few weeks makes a real difference for a lot of people. The black pepper matters. Without it, your body barely absorbs the curcumin at all. That one detail alone is why most people try turmeric and say it didn't work. $2 of turmeric versus $10 of pain cream every 2 weeks. The math is obvious once you see it. Number 9, that persistent bloating after meals. You finish a normal meal and 20 minutes later you feel like a balloon. You probably tried cutting carbs, eating slower, switching up your diet. Maybe you bought digestive enzymes or probiotic supplements. Those can run $15 to $25 a bottle, by the way. What most people don't realize is that a lot of post-meal bloating isn't about what you ate. It's about bile production. Your gallbladder releases bile to break down fats, and when that process is sluggish, things back up, gas builds, discomfort follows. Turmeric stimulates bile production. It essentially nudges your digestive system to do its job more efficiently. A small pinch added to your meals, not a capsule, not a supplement, just the spice on your food, can noticeably reduce that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after eating. People who try this consistently are usually surprised how quickly it works. One important note: if you have gallstones or a known gallbladder condition, check with your doctor first. But for everyday bloating with no underlying cause, this is one of the simplest, cheapest fixes you've probably never considered. Number 8, skin that looks tired even when you're not. Dull skin is something a lot of people just accept. You drink water, you sleep enough, and your face still looks a little flat. So you buy a brightening serum, a vitamin C treatment, maybe a face mask. Those products add up fast, easily $40 to $60 a month if you're not careful. Here's something interesting. Turmeric has been used topically for skin for literally thousands of years across South Asia and the Middle East, long before serums existed. And there's a real reason it's stuck around that long. Curcumin has antioxidant properties that help neutralize free radicals, the things that make skin look aged and uneven. Mixed with a small amount of honey or plain yogurt and applied as a mask for 10 minutes, it can visibly brighten skin tone over time. I've seen people dismiss this as old-fashioned until they actually try it twice a week for a month. Fair warning, turmeric stains. Rinse thoroughly and don't use your best white towel. but the results genuinely compete with products that cost 20 times more. Number 7. The headache you take pills for every single time. Tension headaches are incredibly common. Most people reach immediately for ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Nothing wrong with that occasionally. But if you're taking pain relievers several times a week, your body starts to compensate in ways that can actually make headaches more frequent over time. It's called medication overuse headache, and it's more common than most people know. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effect can interrupt tension headache cycles when used consistently, not just as a one-time fix. It won't replace medication in acute situations, but as a daily addition to your routine, it reduces the underlying inflammation that makes those headaches more likely to show up in the first place. Now, the next few uses, this is where it starts getting genuinely interesting, because we're moving into areas where most people have never once thought to look. Number 6, cuts and minor wounds that take forever to heal. You nick yourself cooking. Small cut, nothing serious, but it stays irritated for days, longer than it should. You probably reach for antibiotic cream, which is fine, but a small tube costs $4 to $8 and runs out fast. Turmeric has natural antimicrobial properties. A small pinch mixed with coconut oil applied directly to a minor cut creates a barrier against bacteria, while the curcumin actively supports tissue repair. This wasn't a wellness trend. This was standard household practice across multiple cultures for generations before antibiotic creams existed. It works, and it costs almost nothing. Number 5. Poor sleep you keep blaming on stress. Bad sleep is almost always blamed on screens, stress, or coffee. Sometimes that's true, but chronic low-grade inflammation in the body also directly disrupts sleep quality, and almost nobody talks about that connection. Turmeric taken consistently in the evening, especially in warm milk, what some cultures call golden milk, has a measurable calming effect on inflammatory markers. Better inflammation control, better sleep signals. Simpler than melatonin supplements, cheaper than sleep aids, and it doesn't leave you groggy the next morning. Number 4, oral health problems you keep spending money on. Bleeding gums, persistent bad breath, sensitivity that comes and goes. You buy specialty toothpastes, mouthwashes, whitening treatments. That adds up to real money every month. Turmeric powder used as a gentle tooth and gum rub. Yes, it temporarily turns things yellow. Rinse well, has documented antibacterial effects against the specific bacteria responsible for gum inflammation and bad breath. Some studies have compared turmeric mouthwash directly against chlorhexidine, a standard clinical rinse, with comparable results. We're halfway through, and honestly the last 3 are where the real surprises are, because most people have never connected turmeric to these areas at all. Number 3, mood dips you dismiss as just having a bad week. This one catches people off guard. Emerging research shows curcumin influences serotonin and dopamine pathways, the same systems targeted by certain antidepressants. Not a replacement for medical treatment, but for everyday mood fluctuations, low energy, and that flat feeling that creeps in during stressful periods, consistent turmeric use shows real, measurable effects in clinical settings. Something that costs $2, quietly supporting your mental energy. Most people walk right past it every single day. Number 2, stubborn household stains you've been scrubbing forever. This one surprises almost everyone. You've got stains on cutting boards, grout lines that have turned gray, plastic containers that absorb tomato sauce color permanently. You buy specialty cleaners, scrubbing products, stain removers. Some of those work, some don't, and none of them are cheap. Turmeric mixed with baking soda and a small amount of dish soap creates a paste that cuts through organic stains surprisingly well. The curcumin compound acts as a natural oxidizing agent against certain types of discoloration. Cutting boards, especially surfaces that absorb food pigments over time, respond really well to this combination. I tried this on a plastic container that had been tomato stained for months. 2 applications. Gone. A $4 cleaning product couldn't touch it in 3 attempts. Old school cleaning knowledge that somehow got replaced by expensive branded alternatives. Story of a lot of things, honestly. If this kind of practical, no-nonsense information is useful to you, the kind that actually saves money and solves real problems, consider subscribing. This channel is entirely about that. No fluff, no filler. Number 1. Chronic inflammation you don't even know you have. Here's the one that matters most. And it's the reason every other benefit on this list actually works. Most people have never been diagnosed with inflammation. They've never had a doctor point to it on a chart. But low-grade chronic inflammation quietly runs in the background of millions of people's bodies, contributing to fatigue, weight gain, skin issues, digestive problems, mood shifts, poor sleep, and joint discomfort. All things people treat separately, with separate products, spending money in every direction without ever addressing the actual root. Turmeric, consistent, daily, properly absorbed turmeric with black pepper, directly targets that underlying inflammatory state. Not aggressively, not like medication, gradually, cumulatively, in a way that compounds over weeks and months. This is why cultures that have used turmeric daily for centuries in their cooking tend to show lower rates of several chronic conditions. It wasn't magic. It wasn't tradition for tradition's sake. It was practical knowledge passed down because it genuinely worked. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need a wellness program. You need a $2 jar, a pinch of black pepper, and consistency. Everything else on this list flows from that one simple habit.